Hi there. In today's JavaScript tutorial, we'll build a class to model rectangles. You learn how to define properties like width and height using a class. Then you will create methods to calculate the area and perimeter of the rectangle. Let's jump right in and write some object-oriented code. The goal is to model a rectangle using a class. We'll store its dimensions and class methods to perform basic calculations. Our methods will help us calculate both the area and the perimeter. Let's build the structure step by step using JavaScript. Here is our rectangle class. The constructor assigns the width and height when we create an instance. The calculate area method multiplies the width and height. And the calculate perimeter method adds all sides using the standard formula. We create a rectangle by calling new rectangle with width 12 and height 10. Then we store the results of both calculations in variables area and perimeter. It is simple, clean, and reusable. Now let's take a look at what the actual output would look like. With width 12 and height 10, the area comes out to be 120 square units. The perimeter, which is the full distance around the rectangle, is 44. You can change the values anytime and still get accurate results. Let's see where the structure comes in handy in real-world scenarios. Use rectangles in design, graphics, layout systems, and games. Anytime you need to track shape dimensions and compute metrics. This helps. Instead of repeating logic, just use your class as a reusable unit. Let's close things off with a quick recap. And that wraps it up for today's class on rectangles in JavaScript. You now know how to model shapes using object-oriented design. You can expand this class to include more features like diagonal or type. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.